Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to see each time I upload a new video. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. Today we're doing makeup look. We are going to be doing like my simple makeup routine, and we're going to be doing the viral TikTok reverse cat eye. I did it on my TikTok, but I also wanted to show my subscribers who do not follow me on TikTok this look as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are starting out by just priming my face. We are going to be using, I think this, I used the e.l.f. putty primer. I did the poreless one, and we're just gonna put that on my face. I was going for like not necessarily a matte makeup look, but I wanted like a snatch face. Like I put in some work to get the face, but yeah, we're putting it all on our face. And then I'm just going to be adding some powder. I did get carried away with some powder, child. Look at that. A mess, okay? But add you a little bit of powder. That's going to set everything in. And it's going to keep things matte. It is summertime. I don't get oily as I used to. I noticed, like, now that I'm older and I kind of know how to do my skin routine better and know what my skin needs, I don't get the oily skin like how it was in high school, honey. I don't know if it's age or what, but that's that. So next, I'm doing one of my favorite things. I always color correct, and I always stress for others to color correct. It just really enhances your look. Like, it really does. So once I color correct my face, I like to go in with a little bit more setting powder, and I'm using the Black Radiant setting powder in banana, and I like to go over that. I like to kind of set my creams or liquids now, like after applying them. I don't know what this is about, but that's what I've been doing, and you know it works. So that's that. And then I'm adding some foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Mocha. Yeah, I have not used this in a while, so I'm just trying to get rid of stuff at this point. So I will be applying this foundation for today. Once the foundation is on, I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer. I cannot think of the name of this concealer. It might be espresso, but I'm not sure. But I like to go in with that just to add a little extra to the face. It just it pretty much covers what wasn't covered with the color correction in the foundation. Like, it's just, you don't have to do this step. I'm just being extra, and I like the results of being this extra. And again, I'm setting everything after I apply cream. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is the camo concealer. This is the matte one, and I can't think of the name, but I'm just applying a little bit of that on my face just to give some brightness. And then I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's way lighter and I'm just going to be adding kind of, you know, a highlight. I like to conceal, highlight, and then I like to do a second version of highlighting that's really going to make certain areas pop in my face. So now I'm just taking my face powder. It's a Black Radiance face powder. And I'm taking the Black Radiance contour palette as well. I think this is medium to dark. And I'm just going to be bringing some warmth and structure back into my face. I do not do like heavy contouring to like sculpt my cheeks or anything. I really am not a fan of that look. If I'm using any type of contour color, it's really not your contour color. It's like a warmer brown. I just like to add warmth and like bronziness to my face. And then I'm adding some toasted almond, I think that's the name of it, Lord, yeah, to my cheeks, and that's also from Black Radiance. So I'm just highlighting using Jackie Aina's Artist Couture highlighter. This highlighter, y'all know it's been out for a minute, and I still have a lot of that's just I just don't highlight like I used to. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff because I'm not doing my makeup like how I used to now that I'm getting older. For this reverse cat eye, like, this is so simple and it just amps up the face. So I just take a liner and I line the bottom of my lash, and then I go in with a black eyeshadow just to set it in place in a way so nothing won't move around too much. And then you just take your angled brush and you just kind of like follow that line on the way out. I think this is actually easier than trying to do a wing liner on top. It is. So I just add a little bit to the top lash line, and y'all, it is so simple and so cute. A lot of people on TikTok have been using colors like one lady I follow on TikTok, I cannot think of her name, but she is so precious. She did like red and purple and everything like that. So you can make this fun. I don't have colored liners, so I didn't give you guys that. I just did the black, the standard. But this is something like to amp up your look, and it's very sultry for the fall season coming. So yeah, and I'm just taking credit, and we're just going to be like smoking that out so it won't be as harsh. So I am adding mascara. I did not add lashes. I was going to add like some small, like natural lashes that kind of flared out like a wing liner. It might have would have really made the look, but I was like, I'm gonna make the focus the bottom of my lash line, so I did not add lashes. And all I'm doing is bringing my mold back because I get lost in foundations and powders. So I'm bringing those molds back, and then we are now to the lips, you guys. I'm using the Juvia's Place lipstick. Oh, is this? I think it's Cocoa. I done found some use for her, child. So I'm using her as a liner, and then I'm just going to be taking this Nika K Lip Shine gloss I had forever, and it's like this white gold like color, really on the cool side, so it's gonna work great with this warm tone brown. And I'm just adding a clear gloss on top, and y'all, that is it. That is literally the face. I love this lip combo. This is something new that I will be doing. Alright, you guys, so this concludes the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like super simple as far as the reverse cat eye, but you also get a little taste of what my makeup routine is like right now. So as always, I will see you guys in my next video.